Welcome to Destination Jamaica. Blessed night, morning, afternoon. Olympic season's upon us, and we decided to do a quick video on the top 12 athletes and their best times for this year. Now, let us know in the comments who are your top 12 and who you think are going to get gold, silver, and bronze. Alright, don't really matter. Yeah, wait until Olympics time for make your own predictions. Alright, let's get into it. Let's start with the 100 meters for men. We have three Jamaicans in that: Kishane, Oblique, Ackeem. And Kishane probably stormed out of nowhere for some, but people know about Kishane for quite a while, so it's no surprise. No, his time, which is the world lead time, is 9.77 seconds. So you remember that time? That was quite an uproar. It did fill Jamaica with excitement and hope to know that women never go perform at Olympics. Everything, going well. Now also we have, so that's 9.77 for Kishane, and he stated that he could run faster. Him hold back on them. So who knows how much faster he can go. Tell us in the comments what you think his fastest time will be at the Olympics. Now next up we have Oblique. Oblique's time here is personal best 9.82. Oblique is 23 as well as Kishane, and they're looking pretty good. Do you think Oblique will get a faster time at the Olympics? No, he's quite the competition. Don't underestimate him, Him little, but definitely talawa. Like the country, right? Now, next up, I'm seeing Ackeem Blake, and I'm seeing 9.92 for him for this year. Ackeem Blake, quite the talent, full of promise, and we're looking to see how he will perform at this year's Olympics. Now, let's move on to the women. Ladies representing. Woohoo! Now we have Shericka Jackson. Her time being her best time for this year. We're seeing 10.84. Now, if we got any of the times wrong, feel free to correct us. No, we're seeing Shericka 10.84 there. And also you have Tia Clayton, who pleasantly surprised many with her performance at the national trials. But we didn't know that she have talent from long time. She up, and we're so proud of her. And her personal best fastest time is 10.86. Right? We also have Shelly. Shelly, who is going to retire after this year's Olympics and looking to make the podium. You never know, Pocket Rocket could surprise us all. Her time, season's best, I'm seeing here is 10.91. Tell us in the comments how faster you think the ladies will go, or what's the fastest time you think will be produced by the ladies. Now let's move on to the 400 meter. Nickisha Pryce, which gave Jamaica a gift with her time of 48.57 seconds. Another world lead there, surpassing one of the greatest athletes with that time. Not only did she get world lead, but national record and the Diamond League record for that event. So big up to Nickisha Pryce. Now let's move on. We're trying to keep this short as possible. We have Jaden, Jaden's field event, and we can't miss out Wonder Kid because he might be one of the people that we think they really like a medal. Gold upon them. And his, best was 17.75 meters. So 17.75 meters. Now let's move on to the final athletes that we have on this list. We have Hansel Parchment, Broadbell, and also Bennett, all the 110-meter hurdle athletes there. And that was a phenomenal race where they were neck and neck, leg and leg, head and head. They took a time to determine who the actual winner was and who came second and third. So the national trials was pretty good to watch with many of the events. So we have Broadbell there. He led 13.18, and then Bennett 13.18, and Hansel got 13.19. And I saw a post that Hansel stated he's in his top form, he's ready to perform. Now, I think that's 11. We're going to complete our list with Ackera Nugent, and she got a great time in the national trials in the 100-meter hurdles in 12.8 seconds. So that's the top 12. We have Kishane 9.77, Shelly 10.91, Shericka 10.84, Tia 10.86, Oblique 9.82, Ackeem 9.92, Nickisha 48.57, Jaden 17.75 meters, Ackera 12.28, Hansel 13.19, Broadbell 13.18, and Benny 13.18. Yeah, so let us know what you think about those times and what do you predict. No, we have playing in the background Busy Signal, of course. I am a Jamaican. Check that song out, it's pretty nice. We are going to put a playlist together for Olympics. You have the fastest man himself, he produced a song and it sounds pretty good. Let me just look up the title right now to tell you. Now, Usain's Bolt song that he produced is called Jamaica All the Way, and you have Busy Signal, Shaniel Muir, and Usain and talk on it. So, yeah, those are two songs that we're gonna be pumping for Olympics time, and I had to laugh at Busy Signal saying "How are you" in French. Comme allez-vous? If I remember that correctly from high school days. Yeah, so we're looking forward to Paris. I think that's it. We're going to sign out on that note. Listening to some music. Can't wait for Olympics. Let us know what songs you will be listening to for Olympics. I mean, Popcorn comes to mind. Are we still a lead? I mean, that's a great song. So we'll post the playlist as soon as we put it together, because what is celebration? What is sports? What is Jamaica without movement, music, dancing? It's just a part of who we are. We keep ourselves up, and we are a uphill race despite whatever is going on. So win or lose or draw, Jamaica all the way. That's it for now, guys. We rally with Jamaicans no matter what, because we're solid, we're strong, and we're little, and always, always talawa. Big up, always. Blessings. Take care of yourself and each other, and keep as hopeful as you can.